Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making this thread core wigs. It is very easy and affordable to make. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below and share this video. So to start with, I'm going to insert my needle and thread onto the wig cap and pass my needle in between the thread. This is just to ensure that your needle and thread is on the wig cap. So to start sewing in your extension, you're just going to place your needle underneath the extension, and while it is under, you're just pinching a portion of the wig cap. You place your needle underneath the extension and pinch a portion of the wig cap. If you place the needle over the extension, it's going to press in the curls. So you are just going to repeat the whole process till the wig cap is covered. Another thing to note is also when sewing on your extensions, you have to properly place the one on top over the one below. This is to avoid any or too much space in between the extensions. So before we get to the center of our wig cap, we are just going to be sewing on our lace to the wig cap. So right now I've pinned my lace to the wig cap and I'm just placing my needle underneath the wig cap. I'm doing this so that I can hide the knot on my thread. So when you are done doing that, we are just going to be sewing our lace on our wig cap. The most important thing here in sewing is just to ensure that the edges of the lace are properly sewn to the wig cap. You can use any sewing technique you know here. Once you are done sewing down your lace, you are just going to continue sewing in your extension till the whole wig cap is covered. You can also trim off any excess flyouts from the wig. So right now I'm just cutting the curved edges open. This is done so that the wig can have a more natural look. So once we are done cutting the edges out, we are just going to be going in with our fingers to pull it out to give it that more natural look. We can also go in with like a brush to just brush it out a bit. So guys, we've come to the end of the video, and this is what the wig looks like. If you enjoyed watching this video, please thumbs up the video, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.